Greetings, my friends. Welcome to the Cruise Group Planner channel, your tropical headquarters for everything cruising, straight from our Tiki News lounge here in sunny Jamaica. Now, whether you're dreaming about your very first sail or you're already a seasoned sea dog with a favorite deck chair, this is the place for you. We bring you the latest cruise news, island tips, ship updates, and a few laughs along the way. Because hey, planning a cruise should feel like a vacation itself, right? And don't worry, the only thing more refreshing than this coconut drink will be the ideas you find here to make your group cruise smoother than a Caribbean breeze. So subscribe now, keep your flip-flops handy, and let's plan your dream voyage together. Because here at Cruise Group Planner, we don't just talk about cruises, we set sail with you.